The YouTube channel Photonomy Coach, 241,000 subscribers, gains millions of views by posting short, simple workout clips. These videos are completely generated by AI. Another channel, Demic, with 714,000 subscribers, does the same, posting basic AI workout videos that also earn millions of views. There are only a few channels like this, so competition is very low. In this video, I will teach you how to create videos just like these. By using this method, you can start your own YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok channel. These types of short AI workout videos perform very well, especially on TikTok and Instagram Reels. I made this example video in just 5 minutes. First, watch this preview to see the result.
Stop doing push-ups like this if you actually want chest gains. If your shoulders shrug up and your elbows flare, your chest is barely working. Here's why. When your shoulder blades stay squeezed back the whole time, your pecs can't fully shorten, so your triceps and shoulders steal the load. You're pressing, but not growing. Now fix it. Set your hands just outside shoulder width. As you lower, let your shoulder blades come slightly together. As you push up, actively spread the floor and round your upper back. Think hug a barrel at the top. That last protraction is where the chest lights up. Try this for your next set and feel the difference. Follow for biomechanics.
I created it for free using an AI tool, and the output is professional and unique. In today's tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to create a gym-style workout video completely for free using AI. Let's get started. Before we start the video, I have a small request. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the hype button so I can continue making unique videos like this for you. This is the only fee for this video, so please complete it. Now, let's start the video. To make this type of video, you first need to use a prompt, and I will give you the prompt link in the description and pin it in the comments. The first step is to copy this prompt. After that, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. Once you click on Generate, ChatGPT will give you 5 topic ideas. If you don't like those topics, you can modify the prompt and generate topics according to your own preference. I will now choose one topic and show you how to create a script for it. The next step is to generate the script. For this, go back and copy the second prompt. After copying it, return to ChatGPT and paste this second prompt. In this prompt, you will see brackets that say, Insert topic here. You need to copy one of the topics generated by ChatGPT and paste it inside those brackets. After that, click on the Generate button, and ChatGPT will create a complete video script for you. This script will be around 30 to 40 seconds long, perfect for short-form content. Now that the script is ready, the next step is to generate the voiceover from this script. Next, you need to copy the script. After copying it, go to 11 Labs. The link is in the description below, and sign up. When you sign up, you will get free credits that you can use to generate voiceovers. Once you are on the 11 Labs website, log in and click on the text-to-speech option. Paste your script into the text box. On the right side, you will see many voice options. You can listen to any of them and choose the one you like. After selecting, click on the Generate button, and your voiceover will be ready. Finally, download the voiceover to use it in your video. The next step is to generate our workout images, just like the popular channels do. Go back to the Google Doc. Find and copy prompt number 3, Character and Image Generation. Copy the entire prompt. Return to the same ChatGPT session where you created the script. Paste this new prompt into the chat and click Generate. ChatGPT will then ask you a question, likely requesting the first part of your video script. Provide a short paragraph from the beginning of your script. Scroll down and copy the first short paragraph of your script, just like I am doing. After copying it, paste this paragraph into the prompt box in ChatGPT and click the Generate button. ChatGPT will give you 2 prompts for this paragraph, one for an image and one for a video. Right now, we only need the image prompt. Alright, the next step is to generate the image using the prompt from ChatGPT. We'll use Pipit.ai for this, a free AI image generation tool. Click the link in the description to go to Pipit.ai and sign up. You'll receive 520 free credits upon signing up. enough to generate plenty of images. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Click on the image generation option. In the model section, select Nano Banana. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy only the image prompt, not the video prompt. Return to Pipit.ai and paste that prompt into the text box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, vertical format for shorts/reels, and make sure the Nano Banana model is selected. Finally, click the Generate button, arrow icon. Your AI-generated workout image will begin processing. Great, our first image is ready. It matches the style used by the top channels. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the next paragraph from your script and paste it into the chat, just like I'm doing now. Click Generate. ChatGPT will create a new image prompt and a video prompt. Copy only the image prompt. Return to Pipit.ai, paste the new prompt, and click Generate again. Your next image will begin processing. You can see our second workout image is now ready. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can easily regenerate the image using the same prompt, or ask ChatGPT to refine the prompt for you. To generate images for your entire script, you will repeat the same step for each paragraph. Copy a paragraph from your ChatGPT script. Paste it into the ChatGPT message box to generate a new image prompt. Copy that image prompt, not the video prompt. Go to Pipit.ai, paste the prompt, and generate the image. Repeat this process for every section of your script. I will quickly go through these steps now to generate images for my entire script. You can follow the same workflow to generate all the images you need for your video. The next step is to download all the images you have generated. Click on the Download option, select PNG format, and in the watermark section, choose Without Watermark, so your images won't have any watermarks. Download each image one by clicking the Download button. Once all your images are downloaded, the next step is to convert these images into a video. The next step is to convert these images into a proper video using the Flow AI tool. Go to the Flow AI website and click on New Project. Then, select the Simple Text to Video section and choose Frame to Video. Click the plus icon and then the Upload button to upload your first image, such as the workout image. After uploading, click on the Settings button. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Select 1 for the output prompt and choose VEO 3.1 Fast in the Model section. Next, you need to paste the video motion prompt. To get this, go back to ChatGPT, and under your first image prompt, you will find the video motion prompt. Copy it and return to Flow AI, pasting it into the prompt box. Finally, click the Generate button, and your video will start creating. You need to wait for about 30 to 40 seconds, and your first workout video will be ready. Next, click on the plus icon to upload the next workout image. To get its video motion prompt, go back to ChatGPT, scroll down to the prompt for that image, and copy the video motion prompt. Then, paste it into Flow AI and click Generate. Your next video will start creating. If any part of your video is missing or the result isn't correct, you can easily regenerate it in Flow AI for a better outcome. Repeat this process for all your images. Upload the image, copy the motion prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in Flow AI, and click Generate. I quickly converted all my images into videos using this same method, and you can do the same to create your complete video. The next step is to download your generated videos. For each video clip, click the Download button. Make sure to select original size and download them one by one. Once all video clips are downloaded, we will move to the final stage, editing them together into the final video. Now open your video editor, CapCut, or any software you prefer. Click the Import button and select all the video clips you downloaded, along with your Voiceover file. Once imported, drag the voiceover to the timeline first. This is the most important part. Now go through the voiceover and remove all the unwanted empty gaps or pauses to make it crisp and clear, just as I'm doing now. Trim out any silence or filler space that slows down the video. My voiceover is now on the timeline. Next, listen carefully to your voiceover and add your video clips to match what's being said, just as I'm doing. Place each video clip on the timeline in the correct order, aligning them with the voiceover. You can easily adjust your clips. If a video clip has sound effects, you can raise or lower its volume. If a clip is too long, you can increase its speed or trim it. Reposition clips freely on the timeline until the flow feels smooth. Finally, you can add transitions. Click on the Transitions option. You'll see many choices like fade, swipe, or zoom. Apply them between clips to make your video more professional and engaging. The next step is to generate captions for your video. Click on the caption option, choose your language, and click Generate. Your captions will be ready automatically. On the right side, you will see a panel where you can click Basic to change the font. You can also explore the Templates section to choose different text styles, change colors, and apply effects to make your captions more engaging. Once everything is set, click the Export button, and your video will start saving to your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.